Hello everybody, Jared here. Welcome back to another fire alarm test. We're going to be doing number 23 today. And I don't know if you can hear, but I am on Instagram with
FireAlarmDude5967.
That's right. So, I just sent him a message randomly saying, hey, do you want to be on a system test video? And he's like, sure, why not? So, we're doing a system test together. Moving on. Nothing really has changed. If you haven't seen the last video I made, or whenever I upload this, 9303 is working, strobe's working, however, I still need parts to get everything working, yada yada yada. However, I do have, white, purple, and yellow wires, and I don't know what to use them for, so, and I also have I don't know if you can see this on camera, I have an exit sign mounting plate. That's actually where I got all the wires from. I got this after they replaced the exit sign there. They got a new one. I ended up taking all the excess wire. So I might keep this, I might sell this, I don't know. It's just metal and a plastic tab, so I don't know what to do with this. I might sell it, I might trade it, I don't know. 9219 is up here. We'll walk out into the hallway. Devices out here are still the same. The first alert, SA303 ionized smoke detector is still out here. And then downstairs, we still have the Nighthawk ionized detector. So, since you are our special guest, which device would you like us to set off first?
Do the simplex mechanical one.
You want the 9219, okie dokie. Put my ear protection on, and let's hit it. By the way, if you're saying anything, I can't hear you. Alright, in 3, 2, 1. Alright, what device would you like us to do next?
About the Nighthawk smoke alarm.
The Nighthawk smoke detector. You got it. Ooh, chilly down here. I don't think the stove is on. Is it?
Yeah, it's on.
No, stove's not on. Okay. Ugh. It's kind of hard to film with two hands, too. Alright, here we go. I can't even twist this thing off the ceiling. Whoa. And if you go in here, this is where the Kita smoke detector is. I don't know if it's still in here or not. Yeah, it is. It's right here. Actually, I want to see something. This smoke detector is from 2017. I thought that was 2016. And then I guess we would do the first alert then. Or the false alert, if you know what I mean.
Oh yeah. Bye, kid.
I had that thing go off like 10 times within 1 week, so I'd like to swap all these smoke detectors out with interconnectable ones. So I don't know if I'll go with first alert. I'm definitely not going with Kidda. So where's the test button? Alright, let's do it. Hello?
Yep, I'm right here.
Come on, you can do better than that.
First alert, smoke alarm users always have very
And the camera won't focus. Come on, focus. I'm gonna go in there and shut that 14 out of 3 off with no ear protection again.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that has happened before, and this thing is loud. Ow. It's not loud, but when you're right below it, it's loud.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
It's the mechanical horn, so it is loud. Alright, so I don't know what else to do, testing wise. Anything else that you want to do? Sadly, I don't have any carbon monoxide detectors. I'd like to get one though, so.
Oh well, I think that's pretty much all. So, thank you to all the viewers for watching this video, and thank you, Jared, for giving me the honor, I say, of being a system test. And yeah.
No problem. And if you don't know who FireAlarmDude5967 is, I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below so you can check it out. But with that being said, I am off, and we'll see y'all later. Take care.
Alright.